The video's topic is about the easiest way to become rich. While there's no one easy way to become rich, the video will provide some tips that can help viewers on their journey to financial success. These tips include developing a strong work ethic, educating oneself about finance, living below one's means, investing wisely, and building multiple streams of income. The video will provide explanations and examples for each tip, as well as encouragement for viewers to take action towards their financial goals. While the idea of becoming rich quickly and easily may be appealing, the truth is that there's no one easy way to achieve financial success. Building wealth usually requires hard work, dedication, and smart financial decisions. However, there are tips and strategies that can make the journey towards financial success easier and more achievable. By implementing these tips and strategies, individuals can increase their chances of building wealth and achieving their financial goals. It's important to remember that there's no shortcut to financial success, but with the right mindset and actions, it is possible to achieve it over time. 1. Develop a strong work ethic. Explanation of why financial education is important. Financial education is important because it provides individuals with the knowledge and skills they need to manage their finances effectively. Without a basic understanding of financial concepts such as budgeting, investing, and debt management, individuals may struggle to make informed financial decisions and may be more likely to fall into financial difficulties. A lack of financial education can also make it harder for individuals to build wealth and achieve their financial goals. 2. Educate yourself about finance. Explanation of why a strong work ethic is important. A strong work ethic is important because it can lead to greater productivity, success, and financial stability. Individuals with a strong work ethic are generally more motivated, focused, and disciplined when it comes to their work. They are more likely to take initiative, put in extra effort, and persist in the face of challenges, which can help them achieve their goals and succeed in their careers. Having a strong work ethic can also lead to greater financial stability, as individuals who are diligent and hardworking are more likely to earn promotions, raises, and other career opportunities that can increase their income over time. Additionally, a strong work ethic can help individuals develop valuable skills and expertise that can lead to greater job security and career advancement. 3. Live below your means. Living below your means is important because it allows you to save money, avoid debt, and build wealth over time. When you live below your means, you are spending less money than you earn, which means that you have money left over to put towards savings and investments. Living below your means also helps you avoid debt, which can be a major barrier to building wealth. When you spend more than you earn, you may have to rely on credit cards, loans, or other forms of debt to make ends meet. This can lead to high interest rates, late fees, and other costs that can add up quickly and make it harder to get ahead financially. By living below your means and avoiding debt, you can save money and invest it in ways that can help you build wealth over time. This might include setting up an emergency fund, investing in stocks or mutual funds, or putting money towards a down payment on a home or other assets that can appreciate in value over time. 4. Invest wisely. Explanation of why investing is important for building wealth. Investing is important for building wealth because it allows you to grow your money over time by earning returns on your investments. When you invest, you are putting your money into assets that have the potential to appreciate in value over time, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. One of the key benefits of investing is compounding, which is the process of earning returns on your investments and then reinvesting those returns to earn even more returns over time. This can help your money grow exponentially over the long term, even if you only invest small amounts initially. Investing is also important because it can help you diversify your portfolio and manage risk. By investing in a range of different assets, you can spread out your risk and reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. 5. Build multiple streams of income. Explanation of why having multiple streams of income is important. Having multiple streams of income is important because it provides a more diversified and stable source of income, reduces financial vulnerability, and opens up opportunities for building wealth. Having multiple streams of income means that you have more than one source of revenue, which can come from a variety of sources such as a full-time job, part-time job, side hustle, rental income, dividends from investments, or freelance work. By having multiple streams of income, you are not reliant on a single source of income, which reduces the risk of financial instability in case of job loss or economic downturns. Having multiple streams of income also opens up opportunities for building wealth. It allows you to earn more money and put that money towards savings, investments, or other financial goals. For example, you could use additional income from a side hustle or rental property to pay down debt faster, save for retirement, or invest in the stock market. Ultimately, having multiple streams of income is important because it provides financial stability and opens up opportunities for building wealth. By diversifying your income streams and making smart financial decisions, you can achieve your financial goals and achieve long-term financial success. I encourage you to take action and work towards your financial success. Remember that building wealth and achieving financial stability takes time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. Start by educating yourself about personal finance and investing. Read books, attend seminars, and seek out the advice of financial experts. Develop a budget and a savings plan, and commit to living below your means. Look for ways to increase your income, such as through a side hustle or investing in the stock market. Remember that financial success is not about getting rich quick, but about making smart financial decisions and staying committed to your long-term goals. Set achievable goals for yourself and track your progress regularly. Celebrate your successes, but also learn from your mistakes and make adjustments as needed. Finally, remember that financial success is about more than just money. It's about creating a life that is fulfilling, meaningful, and aligned with your values. Focus on building relationships, pursuing your passions, and contributing to your community. These things will bring you joy and fulfillment, and they will also help you build a solid foundation for long-term financial success. So take action today, and start working towards your financial success. With hard work, dedication, and the right mindset, you can achieve your goals and live the life of your dreams. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know when we release new content, and you'll be supporting us in creating more videos like this.